In this video, we will demonstrate how to purchase and configure CV Dynamics CRM SharePoint Permissions Replicator from Azure Marketplace. The first thing you need to decide is the payment model. There are two options. Bring your own license model. Here you pay for the Azure Virtual Machine from Microsoft. The software is already installed. You would need to activate the software using a trial or a paid license, which you can purchase directly from us. The link is given below in the description. The second option is to rent, by hour, an Azure Virtual Machine from Microsoft with the software installed and activated. The link is also given below in the description. Open the link for the variant you wish. Click the Get It Now button. Choose your desired plan. Fill in the form and click Continue. Azure Marketplace takes you automatically to the Azure portal. For this, you need to create a user login. If you do not have a user yet, you need to create one. Microsoft takes you automatically through the process. Make sure that your desired plan is correctly selected. Click the Create button. You would need to create a subscription in case you don't have one already. Choose or create your resource group, the virtual machine name, the region, the image, and the size. You also need to define the administrator account here. Enable RDP access to the virtual machine. And click Next. Choose the disk type for the virtual machine. Click Next. Verify your next work settings and make any required changes. Click Next. Define your monitoring and identity settings. Decide whether to enable or disable the auto shutdown feature. Click Next. Install your desired extensions if needed. Click Next. Define tags. Click Next. The Azure portal validates now all the given information, summarizes, and gives a confirmation if any required information is missing or invalid. If the validation fails, please go back and provide the required information. After the final validation passes, click Create. Wait until your deployment is set up and your resources are created. After a couple minutes, all resources will be up and running and you can start working with them. You should see a similar screen. Click Go to Resource to navigate to the virtual machine you just created. Click Connect. Click Download RDP file so you could connect to virtual machine via the remote desktop application. When you connect to the virtual machine for the first time, the software will be automatically installed. This process could take a few minutes. Once the software is installed, you will see CB Replicator controller icon on your desktop. Double-click the icon to start the Replicator interface. The first screen is the configuration wizard. You need to perform the initial configuration. You need to configure connection to target systems, Dynamics CRM, 365, and SharePoint. For Dynamics CRM, you need a single user. Let's call him Service User. It needs to be System Administrator in your Dynamics CRM. To configure CRM, you need to pass the following parameters: address of your Dynamics CRM instance, username and a password, click Test Connection, click Next to continue. Similarly, for SharePoint, you need a single user that is a site collection administrator. To configure SharePoint, you need to pass the following parameters: address of your SharePoint site, username and password, click Test Connection, click Next to continue. Now the software is configured and ready to run. Please enable the checkbox on the last page. Click Finish to start the replication process immediately. Alternatively, close the wizard and press the Start button. Once you start the software, it will automatically install a managed solution into your Dynamics CRM. It will read the security model of CRM and apply proper security to SharePoint folders.